Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the album that goes inside of this gorgeous heart box that we made for Valentine's Day. Oopsie. So this mini album goes in here. I haven't finished completely decorating it. The only reason why I'm showing it before it's completely finished is because many of you asked to see the album so you know if you want it or not. So I wanted to do up a few pages so you guys can see it so you can make an informed decision. It's a super cute album. Of course, it fits in the heart box. You don't have to use it just for the heart box. You can put it anywhere you want. So there it is, super cute in the box. And yeah, let me show you the pages and what it's all about. So if you want it, you can get it. And it's the Kit Club, the entire digital Kit Club, where you get Valentine's, Easter, and 2 bonus projects. All right, so let me show you. So I did an angle pocket here where you can put goodies in the front. I also did a side pocket where you can put goodies on the side. I still haven't put anything in there, but it's going to be a photo mat with a couple of teeny tiny photos. And the inside, it's gorgeous. All right, super gorgeous. We have a gusseted pocket here on the inside cover, and this is super simple closure here, but so fabulous. We've got a corset style closure here, and it's just so cute. You thread it. It's the see-through pocket here so you can see what you got going on in there as well. So it's just super cute, guys. And then we've got, let me show you this page. All right, so here there's a pocket, of course, and then here is your pop-up page. All right, so there's a pop-up in this book, and something even more fabulous, I think, than a pop-up. By the way, there is also a little bonus in the tutorial, or there will be a little bonus in the tutorial where this is sized for a card. All right, so if you wanted to make this into a card, you can, because here it is. So I size it for the A4 card, or the standard size card, which is, I don't know. I can't remember right now off the top of my head. I don't make cards. So I think it's 5.25, 5.5 by 4.25. All right, it came to me finally. So a size for the card if you want it, but this is in the page and it fits 4x6 photos. All right, 4x6 photos you can get into this album. The album size in its entirety is 4.75 inches by 7.5. So this paper, if you're curious, it's Crate Paper Main Squeeze, and it's an Authentique line, and I believe it's called Sweetheart. So 2 paper collections, Crate Paper Main Squeeze and the Authentique Sweetheart collection. All right, so just really cute, guys. I did it up with photo mats, embellishments, and here is these pages here. But this opens up into something so fabulous. All right, so let me show you. Look, and look what this opens up to. All right, you can't even see it in the, let me zoom out so you can see, because it is so wonderful. Whoopsie, that's in. Let's go out. So you can see how fabulous this is, guys. You can get 8 4x6 photos on here if you want, or you can get so many if you decide to collage this the way that I did. And it's just really fun to look at. This is my thing with crafting, guys. I want you to tell your story with your photos, and I want you to put them inside. And I am big on small photos, which is kind of cute, isn't that? I love the small photos. I want to show you a quick sample so you can see that small photos they're just fabulous. You can absolutely see them. And I know you guys are going to ask me about this album. It's completely out of order here, all right? But look. Small photos, how super cute they are. And they look in your album. I know I have a few more. Hang on there. Hang in there with me. Look at my little baby Gail. That's a 3x3. But here, this is a 2.5. I think this is a 2x2.5, and look at how beautiful this is. So the small photos are just really beautiful. You can see the image, I promise. And what's wonderful about the small photos is that this particular image here, every time I take Faith a picture in her car seat, there's a hideous warning sign. It's a big you know, the circle with the line across in red, and it's hideous. It says warning with yellow and red. So it's perfect because I get to crop that out and see that beautiful, beautiful little face. So if you want to know about this album, gosh, I should have not showed you this. This is the Toy Box remix, and I'll tell you all about that in a final review for this album. All right. I just wanted to show you the small pictures that they will just look dazzling, dazzling in your album. I can't stress it enough. So this page, by the way, is inspired, I have to make this very clear, is inspired by the Maze book. All right. It's been around forever and 10 days, but it's a teeny tiny book that you make out of a 12 by 12 sheet of cardstock, which I personally do not have any use for right now. So I took that idea and I sized it for what I love to do, which is albums for for at least 4x6 photos and below. So this idea right here, the cut here in the center, I just want to just say that I did not invent this. It's inspired by I believe it's called the Maze book. All right, if I have it wrong, forgive me. So that's it. This is what it's all about. There's one more page style in this book that I haven't decorated, but it's still super fabulous, I promise. And of course, you get another of the gusseted pockets in the back with the super cute closure. But you can close this however you want. It doesn't just have to be you know, the corset look. You can do whatever you want, but just really cute on this album, guys. Small album, but you can get lots and lots of photos in here, and you can experiment with smaller photos. I like to show you different looks. I can absolutely slap a 4x6 on here and say, yeah, you can fit 4x6 photos, but for what? You know that already. So I like to give you different looks with the smaller photos and just kind of take you out of that 4x6 thinking or logic. All right, so there you go. And that's the album. If you love it, you can pick it up along with a few other fun projects. Of course, this box as well, which is darling. Everything is just so beautiful about this project. Really beautiful. I know you're going to love it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.